Is your MacBook Neo Touch ID not working? If it can't recognize your fingerprint and forces you to type in the password every single time, I've got the fix. Let's get your fingerprint working again right now. First, if it works intermittently, make sure your finger is clean. Wipe it gently when it refuses to work. Also, make sure your fingertips are not too dry or too moist. You can also restart your MacBook Neo every now and then to clear any minor glitches. Apart from that, check for any pending macOS updates and install them. Sometimes an update can fix fingerprint issues. If that doesn't help, it's time to reset Touch ID. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Touch ID and Password. Before resetting, check that all fingerprint options are turned on. You can try toggling them off and on to restart their functions, but the best approach is to delete your existing fingerprints and register a new finger ID from scratch, preferably the one you use most comfortably, so it works no matter how you place it. Once the first fingerprint is set, you can add another ID of the same finger. Since you can add up to 3 fingerprints, it's a good idea to register a different finger as well. That way, if one doesn't work, another always will. This should hopefully fix your fingerprint issue for good. Thanks for your time.